Hello everyone and welcome! Meet Fable 5 Brain, the public source-cited Obsidian brain for Claude Fable 5, Claude Mythos 5, Project Glasswing if you never heard of it, Claude Code and current agent operation practices. So this is a public research repository, everyone. Just for information, I have scraped the whole internet. Everything possible about Fable 5, Mythos 5, and in general, the overall project. And this is not affiliated, by the way, or endorsed by sponsorship by Anthropic, just for information. Its content is derived from public sources, everyone. Just for information, so please, Anthropic, don't flag me on that. This is full-on public source, guys. I have scraped, maybe since Fable was launched, the current brain. I've got everything possible to the present date and time, till 3 hours ago to be exact, and have made this baby, this Fable 5 brain. So in the end, it's an Obsidian vault, everyone, just for information. So I think many of you know already about Obsidian, how it works, what is it, and so on. So for anyone not knowing exactly what this is a graph. This is a vault, this is an Obsidian graph. All of these dots here, as you can see, they are text. They are images, text, files. Most of them are markdown files. So here inside each and every one of them, for example, like this one here, we have information. We have text about each and every graph, node, interlink that we have inside. So for example, here is about Claude Fable 5. And everyone, in regards to the use cases, they can use this brain. Just for information, I'm gonna share with you in just a bit. But first, this is Claude Fable 5. It's Anthropic's most capable, generally available model. I think many of you have already tried it, or if not, then definitely try it. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. It's just cooking. It's just cooking without stop. But unfortunately, that usage limit is not cooking at all. But once again, what I have done, I have scraped everything possible about Fable. And the reason why I did that, once again, because coming back to that, is it possible to bring, let's say, a model like Sonnet 5 or Opus, let's say, to Fable level? Not completely, but yes, it is possible if you follow specific principles, let's say practices, prompt engineering, scripts, and so on. So with the help of this brain, by the way, what is possible to achieve, guys, everyone, just for information. So let's say if you have an existing workflow, or if you already have your brain, or you already have Fable and you have made your brain and you want to check that, hey, you're following Fable's best practices, or in general, if you want to learn about Fable. So this brain is specifically for that. So let's say if you have an existing vault and you want to or skill or whatever there is, and you want to apply Fable's best practices, then this is exactly for that. Oh, let me try to make myself smaller even. Once again, just give me one moment. I think this is perfect just like that. So guys, once again, this is a full-on Fable brain. Inside you can find everything available online about Fable. What I have done, I have used our skill brain stain and I have made a brain for it. And the reason of that is because, well, reaching Fable limits, I think all of you already know that it's super fast. And how the hell can we bring that, once again, Gemini or ChatGPT or Sonnet or Opus model to more near towards that Fable context, Fable level to be exact, and it is definitely possible and achievable if you follow, once again, specific concepts. I have tried this exact thing with the help of Sonnet. I hooked the current Fable brain to Sonnet, to a Sonnet model, which is Sonnet 5.1, just for information, and it was fantastic. It made, for me, a few brains, it made a few books, it was very fast, even faster than Fable, by the way, but was it the same? Not really, but almost there, everyone. So this I'm going to leave into your hands, but hey, once again, I want to inform you that inside, if you want to learn more about Fable, how it works, how to prompt, everything Fable. This is the everything Fable brain. Inside the repo, by the way, everyone, just for information, you will also find a link, so you can also view it right now here. And inside, you can just, once again, if you're going for a run, or if you want, let's say, to have this brain also digital, if you want to read, to understand exactly how to prompt caching economics, responding to mistakes and criticism, sandbox networking, for example. Wow, there's so many things here, but whether you can use for reference and you can learn from on how to use these exact models, that it is fantastic, everyone, just for your information. How to install the current vault, by the way, everyone, is just quite simple. You will just need to go to this current GitHub, and there you just need to press on code right now here, and here you can just press on GitHub CLI, press on copy, go here, you will need to open a new folder. So I'm just going to create right now even a folder just for your reference. Folder, and inside this folder you will need to open a terminal, so right click, terminal, and here you just need to put that exact same copy that you have made inside. I think I've copied from GitHub to be exact, and that's it, guys. I just copied that command here, and this copied straight away the full-on brain. as you basically see here. Well, just give me one moment. So this exact brain that I have just ported inside this folder is the exact same brain here. Now, how you can open this folder here? You just need to open your Obsidian, everyone. So once again, you will need to download Obsidian, just for information. If you want to have a visual representation of the graph, you can just download Obsidian from here on your computer, Mac, Windows, or Linux. And here, for example, if you want to open that specific folder, you will just need to press on Manage Vaults. You'll need to press on Open, and you will need to find that folder that you have unpacked, the current brain. Press on OK. And then afterwards, you will just need to press here and boom. This is the exact same brain that you saw there. Just here, the filters were not applied. I can just maybe apply here. Just like that. And that's it, everyone. This is Fable 5 Brain. It's a full-on brain. Everything Fable available online. You can just hook it to your agent if you want to have Fable 5 philosophy, if you want to have Fable 5 mentality, or anything Fable. If you want to learn exactly how to code with this model, how to prompt with this model, how to use best practices with that, then definitely, of course, use it. And if you use it, and if you've seen this video, please also throw in a star and throw in a like. And thank you so much for watching this video. This is Fable 5 Brain. It's a vault. It's there for you guys. Go to GitHub. The link will be down. Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, ciao.